Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely gorgeous braided wig. We are going to be making use of Brazilian wool, a closure, wig cap, crochet hook. So this is how far I've already gone. I DIY the closure myself. The video is on my channel. Check that out if you are interested in achieving your own DIY closure. So I'm going to be crocheting 3 strands of Brazilian wool. Then I'm going to braid with 15 strands. So total strand I use is 18 strands. Then I will start braiding. I'll braid to some extent. So when I reach the length where I want to braid to, then I will start the wrapping. I don't really know the name of this hairstyle, but I love the hairstyle so much, so I decided to create mine in another way by using braid. One I see people creating is false lock, so I decided to go with this hairstyle because I really love it so much. Then I'll tie a knot with 2 strands. The longest strand, tie a knot. After you tie a knot, then you start wrapping. It's just like the African threading. You understand what I'm trying to say? It's just like African threading. Just space your hand when wrapping. Don't wrap close to each other. I'm sorry guys, this camera is really going out of focus. That's why I say, you guys, please watch my ads. Don't skip the ads so your girl can buy another camera that will focus. So please do not skip my ad. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and show this video to anyone you think that needs to see this video, because this wig is so lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Very lightweight. So if you want to see me achieving this gorgeous wig with a expression braided hair, comment down below. I'll be happy to do that for you guys, because it's not everybody that loves Brazilian wool or that loves to work with Brazilian wool. So comment down below, let me know what you think. If you want me to achieve this with a braiding hair. So you can see when I get to the length I'm going to be wrapping to, I tie a knot, then form a loop. Then let's go again. I should make sure you space your hand as much as you can. Then when we get to the front, I'm going to explain some idea I use that make the wig to be very fast for me to do. So after I crochet 3 strands, I do the same thing. Just braid the hair to the length you want. Even though you don't want your braid to be long like mine, this wig is still going to come out so gorgeous, so beautiful.